Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2021 hybrid Toyota RAV4 and I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the air filter on the car. It's relatively easy to do and there's no tools required. You'll notice I've already popped the bonnet. For those of you who don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side of the car and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, we're going to put our hand in just above the Toyota badge and there's a lever at the bottom which looks like that, and we're going to lift up the bonnet and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With the bonnet now safe and secure, we can have a good look around the engine bay. So there's some fluid top-up locations this side. We've got a main combustion engine there, we've got our hybrid motor system there, and then just below we've actually got our air box here. Now, like I say, nice and easy to do and no tools required. So we're going to take both these tabs off there and there, and then we can lift up the air box like that. We can just move that out of the way, and then that actually exposes our air filter, which looks like that. So fins face down, and there's no other direction for it. It can go either way round, that way or that way, but that is our air filter. So this one's nice and clean because this car's only done a few kilometers. But in the bottom there, often you'll get a load of leaves gathering, so it's good to get the vacuum cleaner in there and clean them out as well. So once you've got your new filter, or you've cleaned this one, we just rest that back into position. Now you can see two prongs there. They actually go in these hoops there. So we just get the cover, slide it back into the hoops, and then rotate it to the front, and then we can do up those two clips again. And there you go. That's how easy it is to remove and replace the air filter on a 2021 Toyota RAV4 with the hybrid 2.5 litre petrol engine. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.